Good afternoon to all. Okay, any doubt in last classes? No. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about two bodies in contact. At the same time, these two bodies in contact at the same time placed on a horizontal surface. What is meant by horizontal? This horizontal surface? No. This horizontal surface? No. This is horizontal surface. Okay? Right. Listen. Okay. Two bodies in contact on a horizontal surface. Okay. It is very, very important. 5-mark question. Okay. Listen properly. This is M1. This is M2. Caps F. Okay. Listen. Two bodies. For example, here two blocks. Okay, two blocks or two bricks like this. Both are in contact. Both are in contact. That means touching. Okay. This is two blocks or two bricks of masses M1 and M2. This is the condition. Both are in contact. This is called a system. The system placed on horizontal surface. Okay, listen. Okay, let us consider two blocks of masses M1 and M2. Both are in contact at the same time placed on the horizontal and smooth frictional less surface. This surface is horizontal. At the same time, smooth surface and also frictional less, no frictional force. Okay? But M1, see here, this is M1, this is M2. So here M1 greater than M2. M1 greater than M2. Okay? Now, here one of the force caps F, that means a horizontal force acting on the block of mass M1. Like this. By the application of this horizontal force caps F, this entire system just set into motion. I am correct or not? That means starts to moving. So that means accelerates. With the acceleration, small a. By the application of horizontal force, capital F. Okay? Like this. Both are in contact. Now, the capital F, that means horizontal force, capital F, acting on mass M1. So, the system now accelerates. Okay? Simultaneously. With the acceleration A. So, acceleration of the system here, small a. But keep in your mind one thing, horizontal force capital F acting on only M1. But M1, M2 Both are in contact at this point. Okay, right. Now, by the application of caps F, just this system accelerates with the acceleration small a. Okay. Now, see. Going in the board adding in a seventh adding. Yeah. What is the reason? Yes. According to Newton's third law. This is natural. For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. That is natural in our life. Everywhere. ஒருத்தர்கிட்ட நம்ம சிரிச்சு பேசுறோம், அவனும் சிரிச்சு பேசுவான். கோபமா பேசுறோம், அவனும் கோபமா பேசுவான். இயற்கை. So, no life without Newton's third law. I am correct or not? Yeah, very. Yes. No life without Newton's third law. Walking. Yeah, we are walking with the help of Newton's third law. Yes. Action, reaction, like this. Okay. So, when moving this system with the acceleration A, listen here, F21. That means the force exerted by mass M1 on M2. Yes or no? Yes. By 1 on 2. By 1 on 2. Clear? That is called F21. Okay. At the same time, both are in contact, no? Yeah, at this point. So that is called contact force. That is called contact force. Okay, that's all. Already told you just now. At the same time, the mass, by the mass M2, this also exerts a force on M1. Clear? So by 2 on 1, that is called F12. So this is contact force or action force. I am correct or not? Action. The force M12, reaction force. That is called a reaction force. Both are very good, equal at the same time, opposite direction. That's all. According to Newton's third law. Yeah, that's all. Clear? Okay. In this system, very, very interesting, beautiful question this. There is no chance to memory. Okay, all are derivation. Okay, listen. Here, we want to calculate, or we should be find out 3 values. First, small a. That means acceleration of the system. F12. The force exerted by 2 on 1. By mass 2 on 1. Okay? That is called F12. Then we should be find out F21 also. How? By 1 on 2. So the force exerted by mass M1 on M2. Okay? 3 things keep in your mind. Small a, F12, F21. Clear? Okay? Shall we go to next one? Okay, listen properly. First, to find acceleration of the system. System means the entire. 2 blocks. Here 2 blocks accelerates with acceleration A. So here 2 blocks in contact, that is called a system. So to find the acceleration of the entire system. Okay? Okay. Before, just you consider axis. That is very, very important. X dash, y dash, no. Positive x axis, negative x axis. Positive y axis, negative y axis. This point is origin. Okay. Okay, listen. Okay, to find A, what to do? Yeah, we borrow one formula from Newton's. Very good. But according to Newton's, very good. Second law. Okay, listen. By Newton's second law, Basic formula F is equal to ma, no? Yeah. In vector, F vector is equal to m a vector because m is scalar quantity. Okay, right? Listen. So F vector is m into a vector. Okay, listen. Come on. Total. That is important. Okay, total force, total mass, total acceleration. That is very important. Keep it in mind. So total force F, no. What is the total force on the system? Yeah, caps F in the direction of positive x-axis. So yeah, very good. I cap. Very good. And M. What is the direction of the acceleration? In the direction of force. That is natural. I am correct or not? In the direction of force. Your force acts here along positive x-axis. Okay, that's all. So A I cap means unit vector. You know that very well about this. Okay. So comparing components of both sides. Okay. So F is equal to MA. A is equal to F by M. Okay. But total. Here we should be find out acceleration of the very good system. Okay. What is the mass of the system? Very good. Here mass of the system M, it is equal to, very good, M1 plus M2, that's all. Therefore acceleration of the system A is equal to F by M1 plus, that's all. A is equal to F by M1 plus M2. That is the acceleration of the, very good, you are correct, system. Acceleration of the system. Clear? Very simplest question. Nothing else. Very interesting. Okay? Okay, then. F12. What is F12? Yeah. The force exerted by the mass M2 on M1. Okay? By 2 on 1. That's all. At this point, okay? This mass exerts a force on M1 at this point. Okay? That is called F12. What to do? Listen. To find F12. This is vector quantity. Understood? No problem. What to do here? Yeah. Here, to find F12, only M1, okay? M1 extracted from this diagram. Okay? Come on. Okay, M1. On this, caps F acting, okay? Yeah. Horizontal force acting on M1 only. At the same time, F, very good. 1, 2, acting on M1 by M2. Okay? By M2. And also, normal force and a gravitational force. M1G. Okay? Acting here. So, 4 forces acting on block of mass M1. Very good. Okay. Then, N and M1G, yeah, cancelled. Because of there is no acceleration this side and this side, okay? Cancelled each other. Here consider only caps F and F12, okay? Yeah, to find F12, we must draw, very good, FBD. What is FBD? Yeah, free body diagram, okay. How? Come on, listen. This is M1, okay. F12, N, M1G, okay. That's all. Free body diagram. For free body diagram for, yeah, block M1 or mass M1, okay. That's all. Now listen. Already told you. N, M1, G cancelled. Okay. What is the direction of horizontal force on the system? Yeah. Positive along positive x axis or positive x direction. What is the direction of the force? That means contact force. Okay. F12 by M2 on M1. Yeah, along negative x direction. Okay, that's all. So again, we must apply Newton's second law. That's all. By Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Total. Don't forget this. Total. Total force, total mass, total acceleration. Total acceleration already calculated. I am correct or not? Where? Yeah. Very important this. Okay, listen. Total force. How many forces acting on the mass M1? Yeah, two forces. So F1 plus F plus F12 is equal to M. Here M means M1 and A. I am correct on that? So force vector quantity no. Therefore we must consider direction also. Okay. Therefore F along positive x direction. Okay. Plus F12 very good along negative x direction. So minus I is equal to M1 A. That's all. Total mass M1, total acceleration A. That's all. Okay, now F I cap minus plus no minus F12 I cap is equal to M1 A. That's all. Very simple. Next. Come on. Here F minus F12 taken outside I cap only is equal to M1 A at the same time. What is the direction of acceleration on M1? Yeah, positive x direction. So I cap and I cap. That's all. We should consider the direction also. Okay. Yeah. So listen. F minus F12 of I cap is equal to M1 A I cap. Comparing. Similarly here. Comparing components on both sides. Okay. Both sides. So cancel each other. What's the remaining? Caps F minus F12 is equal to M1 A. That's all. Here you should be calculate. Yeah, F12. So F. That's all. Minus M1A is equal to F12 or F12 F minus M1A. Okay. Now caps F minus M1, M1 A value, okay, already calculated. So from here, substitute A value in that formula. Okay, that's all. So F by M1 M2, that's all, or F minus M1 plus M2. Okay. Taken outside only. Caps F. What is the remaining? 1. Here remaining. M1 by M1 plus M2. Okay. What to do next step? What to do here? Next step. Come on. Do yourself. Try yourself. Quick. Try yourself. Taking cross multiplication. Okay. M1 plus M2 minus M1 by M1 plus M2, that's okay. Yeah, M1 M1 cancel. What's the remaining? M2 by M1 plus M2. Very good. So small f12 small f12 is equal to f M2 by M1 plus M2. That's all. Very important. Second formula. This is the value for force exerted by mass M2. That means a block of mass M2 on M1. Okay. Which direction? Yeah, in vector notation, in vector notation, F12 vector is equal to F M2 by M1 plus M2. But along, come on. Along, see this diagram? Along, yeah, negative x direction. Okay? Along negative x direction. Okay? So, minus I cap. Clear? Therefore, small f12 vector is equal to minus M2 by R. No need vector notation, okay? Because of already here written I cap. So no need this symbol, okay? So F12 is equal to Fm2 by M1 plus M2 minus I cap. Take note, sir, minus M1 plus M2. That's all. So the force exerted by block of mass M2 on M1 acts along negative x direction. Okay, that's all. So F small f12 is equal to minus caps F M2 by M1 plus M2 I cap. That's all. That is the value of small f12. Okay, clear? See this, already told you, okay? Very, yeah, interesting and beautiful question. This because of our derivation. While asking the questions like this in your examination, you must attempt like these questions, okay? Yeah, because of you. When you attend the questions like this, relevant at the fully derivation, you can get full marks. Yeah. Avoid theoretical question in physics, okay? Okay, listen. Okay, come on, here. This okay? Very simple. This equation, okay? Very important, this, okay? Next. To find small f21, okay? What is small f21? Force exerted by 1. That means by the block of mass M1 on M2. By M1 on M2. By M1 on M2. By M2 on M1. Already calculated, okay? By M2 on M1. That is called F12. By 2 on 1. That is important. By 1. By 1 on 2. That is called F21 vector, okay? This is by 1 on 2. Okay, listen. So by 1 on 2 means you're acting only one force. I am correct or not? Which one? Only one force, which one? Yeah, F21. Absence here, caps F, okay? Any doubt? Yeah. Listen here, very important this. On the system, horizontal force F acting, okay. Okay, on the system. Now on 2, yeah, F21 only acting, not caps F. Okay, so extracted only this head touch. Okay, this is M2. Clear? This is M2. Okay, so this only. Okay, this only M2. Listen, come on. Free body diagram. How do you find out this? M2. Normal okay. Gravitational force. M2 J okay. Both are cancelled okay. Yeah. F21. That's all. Okay. F21. That is free body diagram. Okay. For mass M2. Very good. For mass M2. That's all. So, how do you find out F21 value? Yeah, again with the help of Newton's second law. Okay, that's all. Come on. F is equal to ma. Total force, total mass, total acceleration. Okay, so listen. Total means only here. Yeah, small f21 along. Very good. Positive x-axis. Along positive x-axis. See this, okay? Along positive x-axis. Okay. Total mass here? Yeah, very good. M2. Total acceleration? Yeah. It is common for both M1 and M2. Okay? Along positive x-axis. Okay? That's all. Yeah. Comparing again, similarly comparing components, both sides on this equation. F21 is equal to M2A, that's all. Okay? Yeah, that's all. So now F21 is equal to, what is mass here? Yeah, M2. Okay. A value? Yeah, already calculated here. Where? Acceleration of the system. See here. Caps F by small m1 plus small m2. That's all. Substitute in this formula directly or in that formula. Okay. In this formula only. Okay. So caps F m1 m2. Therefore Fm2 small m1 plus small m2. That's all. See here. Compare these two equations. Yeah, same value, no? In vector notation is equal to F m2 by m1 plus m2. Yeah, along positive. Very good. X-axis, because of F21, this direction will be positive. X-axis. Clear? So, yeah, this is vector quantity. This is vector quantity. We put a arrow mark, no problem. Understood this? So, at the same time, F21 and F12, yeah, both are same. Okay, or here, listen here. Yeah, F12. No need this. See here. You can understand very clearly. See here. This is important. See here. Comparing these two equations. 1 and 2. Minus. There is no minus. Yeah, what is the meaning of this? Yeah, the direction of F12 along negative x direction. The direction of F21 along positive x direction. Okay. So from this we can understand. We can understood. Both are equal but opposite direction. That's all. How is it? F12 vector is equal to minus F12 vector. F12 vector is equal to minus F21 vector. According to Newton's third law, equal force but opposite direction. Okay, listen. Two blocks of masses M1 and M2, M1 greater than M2, horizontal force caps F acting on this system, that means acting here on M1 only. Okay, so both are in contact, just this moves simultaneously. Okay, so this is contact point. Okay, at this point acts contact force. Okay, so the force exerted, listen properly, the force exerted on two, that means on this block at this point by one, that means by the block of mass M1, that is called F12, F21, by 1 on 2, that is called F21. This direction will be positive x direction. Then the force exerted by mass 2, that means by the block of mass M2 on M1, that is called F12. Both are equal but opposite direction. That's all. Clear? Any doubt? This is nature, Newton's third law. It is used everywhere, all the places. Okay, all the places in the world. No life without water. I am correct or not? No life without water. Like this, no life without Newton's third law. No life without physics, that is different. But here important, no life without Newton's third law. Okay. See here, any doubt? Clear? Okay, thank you.